All right, guys, we got our cauliflower rice knocked out, but we need to pair that up with some protein. So come right back. It's gonna be tasty, you'll see. Up next is Paleo Nick's beef with broccoli. Woo! Keep it paleo. All right, we're going to Asian, so we're gonna start with a nub of ginger and a little bit of garlic. I'm gonna peel this baby, and I'll just kind of roughly chop it. I've got a preheated skillet right here. Olive oil, you could use a little sesame oil if you wanted. Get our ginger going in there. And we'll smash our garlic. Run the knife through it. In with the ginger. And then right here, you guys, I've got some stir-fry beef. Just go to the, the meat section at the grocery store. Look for the thin strips. Looks something like this. I've marinated this for 2 hours in 2 ounces of tamari, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon rice wine vinegar. So once our garlic starts to toast, I'm gonna start adding this to the pan. And at first, I'm just gonna let that rest there without stirring it. We're trying to reduce down that moisture, kind of caramelize the meat a little bit, and hopefully get a nice glaze. While that's going, I'm gonna work these veggies. Got 1 onion, about like that. I got a red bell pepper. Now my broccoli, I'm gonna cut in small florets, almost the same size as these guys right here. All right, and then for the stems, I don't throw these away. I'm gonna cut them into little strips too. All right, so the moisture is reduced down. This is where we're gonna pick up our color. Just looking for deep brown. This is beautiful right here. This is a nice one. This one, boom, lots of flavor. So what I'll do at this point, transfer this meat, and now we're gonna cook our veggies. So a little bit more oil. I'll just go in with all of them right away. We're gonna stir fry these. We're gonna keep them kind of crisp. Then we'll add our meat back to them and we'll be done. All right, guys, here we go. We got a little caramelization going on with the onions. We don't want these to go too far though, so leaving them crunchy. See that? Kind of stir fry style. Go back in with our beef. And then we'll just give this a toss. Okay guys, there we have it. It's our beef with broccoli, the next edition in our Paleo Express series, and it's called Paleo Express for a reason. Comes together quick and tastes awesome. So get out there, give this one a try, you guys, and at every opportunity, do your best to keep it paleo.